Okay, pretty eventful day so far. Smashing my head. People fighting. Anything else interesting happen? That's about it. Some ice.
About it for now. Maybe. I just want to ride.
Let's ride. Let's ride.
Whatever you want to do, what?
I guess.
Let's go. We're sticking it. There's a water bottle, but it's not mine. We never pollute.
Look at the sign that says most difficult coming this way.
That's the one you want. If that's open.
I ain't had nothing to say. I never said I wanted anything.
Nah, because that's your favorite trail is going to be on.
On this side?
We're hoping.
No, it's not.
We just saw people come. Well, I mean, unless.
I don't believe you. My favorite trail
No.
is there.
I don't know if it's your favorite, but last
This is
year
a big
towards
little
the end.
whoop.
I think it's a 4-person.
Yeah, because we can only do 4 people.
Go for it.
I think it's only 4. I'm going off edge, baby.
I'm grinding. I got no edge no more. I should have said it.
Maybe we took him down the wrong trail.
You want full edge or no edge?
Don't worry, I only got concussed on this trail. It's no big deal. It's not hard.
Well, because look, he's not. Go the way
I know that way's easier.
Then we should be fine. It's open now.
Woo! See, it should be this. It should be this trail right here.
Yeah. Ride.
Yeah. Yeah.
LA Moon Night.
LA Moon Night.
LA Moon Night. Stone Cold Steve Rogers.
Stone Cold Steve Rogers. Cut myself today. It's the only pain that's real.
Yeah, we'll be all right. Trey Price.
You rode the shit out of it.
I did ride five seasons. This is my 5th season. Riding the shit out of it.
5th season on the same board?
On the same board.
That's a good jump.
Take it up. Speed.
I need more speed. I'm doing the wiggles.
Where's Leanna?
Right in front of us.
Oh, okay, good.
You got the right to wax your board before you go. My toes are on fire right now. It's almost hell edge. Let's go switch.
That's cool.
It skipped up.
We did.
I tried to press on my nose and just.
Yeah.
I
was
feel better
crazy.
this season. I'm just gonna say.
They look a lot faster.
It's freaking snowing.
I'm not that scared anymore.
Yeah.
I'm really not.
Made the board my bitch.
Yeah, once you have that wax job, you'll fly right through that shit.
No!
This is the only part I don't like.
Oh no, oh no, 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 don't do it!
I thoroughly enjoyed that.
That was fun.
That was fun.
You good? You alright there? Oh yeah.
Hey, yo.
Yeah, I know. Whoa, we're scissoring. This is wild.
Hey, yo, Byron. It smells good as fuck right here, though, man. I'm in next.
Slow.
Impressive.
How many guys got?
We got 4, 3.
We got 3 and then 2. 2. 3 out.
What the heck? Oh, he's smiling like this kid. What's up, you, bro? That worked out.
I didn't know we were going.
I don't know.
I thought he was going.
I don't know. Can't do math.
He see your videos?
Oh, yeah?
Your new subscriber.
Yeah, really?
He's never
What's
been
up,
here
dudes?
before.
You never seen me? What's up, bro?
Yeah, I got it.
I appreciate you guys.
Guys, montage.
Do you recognize him?
No, I haven't. He's seen your video though. I've seen you too.
Who'd you recognize? Him?
You?
I recognize you. I appreciate you, bro.
Was that the chicken guy? I was like, yeah, man. Where the hell are you going?
There's a way I want to go. I know where I am. Hold on.
There's 2 ways down, and it's that way or that way.
I don't think there's a way down that way.
Fuck it, let's go that way. Ah! I'm down for a helicopter ride to the hospital after this. We're out here. You gonna hit the box? Woo. Sweet. It's me, Stitches! Shooting my people! I didn't get any of me on film. Shooting my people! good. I'm filming nothing, baby. It's just me. The run of my life. None of it's on film. Chilled in my beam. How we doing? That was fun as fuck. I got air on everything. Oh, when I crossed over the pole jam, I just hit the jump and flew over that shit. And the next thing I just flew over. I wasn't jumping over that shit. I had not enough speed.
You just pulling that rock?
Yeah, I didn't jump. Yo! Nice. That was cool.